use for our doors and windows, etc. So as you can see, we just finished with the plate of our hinge. What we're going to do now is design a pin. So let's get started. And also let me remind you that we are using Autodesk Inventor 2026, the latest version. So let's create the pin. Let's start and pick the shape meter and create. So now start 2D and make sure that you pick the XY plane, please. So now we're going to draw a circle right here. As you can see, our unit is inch. That's not what we want. So let's make sure that we correct it. We want the millimeters. So let's go in tools, document settings, unit, and you see here on the length, just open this window. There you're going to pick the millimeters, then apply. Now we are good to go. Let's go back on sketch, dimension, and put the right dimension for our circle, which is 10 mm. Let's finish the sketch and let's extrude it. Let's go on 3D, extrude. We will extrude it by 2 mil. Then okay, let's pick this face here and go on create sketch. We will draw another circle here with a diameter of 6 mil. Okay, what we need to do now is just to finish and extrude this tiny bit that we just designed. We will say the length could be 100. Yeah, exactly. This is our pin, 100 mil. So let's click on OK if you're happy. I am anyway. So I will give it a color. Okay, I could give it a blue glazing. Perfect. So here is the blue glazing. So we just created our pin. So let's meet in the next video to do the assembly where we will complete our project. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.